Welcome to Noah's Park and Playground's online quoting system. This new online system is an easy, fast, and convenient way for our customers to request, receive, collect, view, and print their quotes at any time on any desktop or smart device. Here's how to get started. Go to our website, noahsplay.com. On the very top of our website, click on Sign In. Here is where you'll either sign into your existing account that you've already created, or if you're new with us, create a new one. For this video, we will start from the beginning and create a new account. When you create a new account, make sure to fill out the address line with your shipping address. That way, when you request a quote, the shipping address will autofill, making it much easier to request a quote for shipping information later. Once you fill out all required fields, click Create Account. You are now ready to browse our website for products to add to your quote. Once you find a product you want to add to your quote request, make sure to select all required options and then click on the orange Add to Quote button. If you want to add more products to your quote, click the Keep Browsing button. If you are ready to submit your quote, click the View Quote button. If you created an account or signed into your already existing account, your account information will automatically fill in the requested fields. If you need to change your information, go ahead and change it here. We love to receive as much information as we can get when it comes to your playground project. So if there's anything that we would need to know to send you a more accurate quote, please do so at the very bottom where you can tell us more information about your project, or tell us if you need a project installation quote. After you fill out the required fields, double check to make sure all of your products and product options are correct on your quote request. When ready, click the orange Submit Form button. From there, the Noah's Park and Playground sales team will receive your request and compile your quote. In about 2 to 4 business days, Noah's will send you an email that looks something like this. You will click on the login link, which will then redirect you back to our website where you can log into your account. From there, you will find your quote request in PDF format, where you can view, save, print, and present the quote to the playground project leaders and decision makers if needed. If you come back to our website for more quote requests, always make sure that you are logged into your account so that all of your past and future quotes are saved on the same account. If you ever need a quote revision, you can submit a new quote, or our sales team is always available by email or phone to get you exactly what you are needing when it comes to your quotes for your future playground project. If you have any questions about our quoting process, please email us or call us and we'll be happy to help. Thank you from Noah's Park and Playgrounds, and we look forward to working with you very soon.